This segment is sponsored by Renewal by Anderson.
If you need to replace your windows and doors in your home, do you want to choose a company that sometimes does replacement windows, or a company that only does replacement windows? Paige, your local owner of Renewal by Anderson, is here, and he's going to walk us through the difference. And Paige is also going to tell us about Renewal by Anderson's special countdown to Black Friday sale. It's their biggest dollar discount of the year, and it ends on Black Friday. Paige, a lot of companies sell and install windows and doors, and they're not necessarily experts. How's Renewal by Anderson different?
All right, so yeah, there are a lot of good home improvement companies out there. If you're a home improvement company, you could do windows, could do doors, but you're also doing siding, roofing, gutters, all that type of stuff. So it's hard to be an expert at one thing if you're doing all these different things all the time. So with us, we're a window and door company. So all we do are windows and doors. We don't do anything else. So we're experts at our trade, our craft. We've seen every different style, situation. So our homeowners can be rest assured that we've seen it, we can do it right, and they can have the peace of mind that the jobs will be taken care of properly.
All of Renewal by Anderson's windows are custom built. Why is that so important?
It's very important. You know, a lot of times people, when they want to replace the windows, they go to a big box store. Big box stores basically just have stock size windows. So the homeowner comes in and says, yeah, this one, you know, maybe the guy says, yeah, this will probably fit, this will fit. You get back and maybe the window's too small, then you got to fill it in with a lot of trim, and so there's a lot of gaps there. Or the worst thing, sometimes they're too big. You got to modify your house, you got to change your trim, sometimes you got to change your brick or siding to make the window fit. You don't want to do that. You want to make the window fit the house, not the house to fit the window. So everything we do is custom made to make it easy. Everything, you know, we don't even have a stock size. Everything we do is custom. So that way we can make it energy efficient for you. And because of that, most of our installations can be done in one day.
Fantastic. You got a huge countdown to Black Friday sale going on right now, and the savings are fantastic. Tell our viewers about this deal.
All right, so now through November the 26th, it is our biggest dollar discount sale of the whole entire year. You're going to save $350 off every single window. You're going to save $900 off every patio door and entry door. And sometimes we offer financing, and it is 1 year, no interest, no payments. This time for Black Friday, we're doing 2 years. No interest, no payments. So basically like getting free windows for 2 years till November 2023.
All right. The amazing sale ends on Black Friday. That is November the 26th. Call 804-352-3737 now to schedule your free appointment. Vinyl windows are typically found in newer homes, but are they ever a good option?
Well, you know, vinyl windows, whether you're paying, say, a couple $100s or over $1,000 per window, you know, a lot of them just don't last. New vinyl is essentially plastic. Think about get a vinyl fence. You know, it maybe looks new at the start, but after you start using it for a while, you start noticing some cracks, or you maybe use a weed eater and it just totally shatters the bottom of it. So vinyl just doesn't hold up. So that's why we have Fibrex material, which has the maintenance freedom of vinyl, but it's a lot stronger than vinyl. You don't have to worry about the expansion, contraction, the warping, and things like that. It's a more energy efficient, way more durable window.
So Fibrex is much, much better in every respect than vinyl.
Yeah, it's a gold standard. So, you know, there's different types of windows out there. You got vinyl and you have wood. So wood is beautiful, but wood has maintenance. You got to paint it, you got to scrape it, it can rot. And then vinyl is maintenance free. But again, like I said, a lot of times it just doesn't hold up in our climate. So Fibrex is maintenance free like a vinyl, but a lot stronger. And it has a look, feel, beauty of wood, but it never has to be maintained and it won't rot.
Fantastic. All right, folks, we want to remind you once again, Renewal by Anderson's countdown to Black Friday sale is happening right now. Save $350 on every window. Save $900 on every patio door and entry door. And with Renewal by Anderson special financing, you'll get it all with zero down, zero payments, and zero interest for 2 years. It's their biggest dollar discount of the year, and it ends on Black Friday, November 26th. Don't wait. Call 804-352-3737 now, or visit brandyoutrust.com to schedule your free window and door appointment.